Here is a review of the Lamborghini Recurso. Sorry, I can't say the word. I give this a 10. I really loved it. It was frustrating at sometimes because it was my first Technic build. It's pretty neat. So you remove this side of the door. It's quite easy. There's the plug-in to charge it. Then you just put it back in. And the app allows you to drive it. So I gotta turn it on to show you all the cool things about the app actually. Steering wheel. It's make me calibrate my car first because I haven't done it on this one. Here's the gas as it rolls away. Here's the reverse. Then there's a brake. There's different types of motors. You have the electric. Looks like once you have it on. Here's the steering wheel. Here's the gas and brake. You can change what kind of... Oh, that's cool. You can change the way it's steered. I didn't know that. This turns on the lights. This turns off the lights. This is how you change what type of engine, which is neat. This was the race app. It does the start value. It tells you when to go. I'm going to move it up and move it back. And then I'm going to tell it to stop. And then it gives you these certain stats. Hour speed, top speed, total distance, driving, number of collisions. Pretty cool. And then also I found out you can make your own racetrack in here. And it shows you how to do it and race it. So this is why I give it a 10. Because it's way fun.